Hello everyone, my name is Ms. D and I am from Harris County Public Library and Lone Star College, Sci-Fair. Welcome to Craft Time in summer for children and families. So today we will be making a fairy jewelry case. And for that, the things that we would need is, again, I like to work with something that we have at home already. We are not going out to purchase anything, to bring anything. So this is a strawberry container. We brought some strawberries and I kept this. And so you can take something like this, or we can also work with something like this. This was again just something, some cookies. And now this one, the flap is, the top is not connected. So you can, if you have something like this, we can work with this. You have something like this, we can work with this. All right. And the other items that we would need to put this together is some glue and just some sparkle that some glitter that I found that I had used to decorate some tables at the last party that I had quite some time back. And then we would need some cotton that we would need to line so we can put the jewelry on top. And if you do not have any glitter, do not worry. We can also work with some of this. So this is the paper, the tissue paper that we put in gift bags. So we have this and we can decorate the box with that as well. All right. And if you have something that does not, the top is not connected, don't worry. We would need some tape and we will put that together as well. And the final and the best thing, we need some jewelry to put inside the finished product. Alrighty, now let's get going. So the first thing we would do is we can work with this one, or let us see how we can put this together. So for this, what I have done is I have just taken some tape, some scotch tape that we have, and this is the invisible kind. So we just take that and we will start with putting some on the back of this. Okay, so that is the easiest way to put it together. We'll put some on the back of this over here. Just stick it over there first, and then we take the top and then we put that together over here and make sure it is all sticky. There you go. And we have a top that is all together, and we can make it more fine and we can work with that again. And now, so let us come to decorating this. It's very simple. All we need to do is we will take the glue and just pour it over, and you can, I just got some, and we are gonna put it all, just cover it. And we are taking either the glitter or you can take the tissue paper that you have. Let's work with the glitter for now. And pour it over and let us shake that off. There we go. And we do the same thing all around. So we're gonna put some glue right on the sides as well, and we are going to wipe it. There you go. And we take some more, and there we go. And we shake it off, and we do the same thing for the front. Let's put some more and make sure it gets all over. There we go. And we take some more glitter shake it off. Here we go. And we can continue this on the sides as well. But let's go ahead and get to working on how to line the inside. Okay, so we'll get to the front, open the box. Now there it is, okay. And we take our cotton. Y'all usually have this. So now these are just balls of cotton. So we are gonna just spread them out like this. Just open them up, okay. And just open them up a little more. We'll take a bunch. That will cover the bottom of the box, of the case. Alrighty. And just a couple more and we should be good. Okay. If you have something like the liner of old jewelry box that you have, we can use that as well. So we take these and line up on the bottom. There you go. Line the bottom with it. Give it a good soft layer, good soft cushion. There you go. Nice and cozy. And now we take our pretty jewelry. Here we go. And lay it down all nice and easy. There we go. The earrings go right there. And our fairy jewelry case is ready. We'll wait for this to dry. I'll leave it overnight and it's gonna get dry and it is ready to use the next morning. Happy crafting! Bye-bye from Miss D, and stay safe and take all precautions to be always safe. Bye-bye. Thank you.